If you want to know how to make $178 an hour by doing absolutely nothing, then you're watching the perfect video. I'm going to show you exactly how you can set up your own business in a matter of minutes using the help of AI. The best thing about this method is that it's super easy. Literally anyone can do it. You don't even need to have any skills either. All you really need is a device and an internet connection. So guys, if you're ready to start making big bucks, then let's get straight into it. Step 1. Sign up for OctoIcons. Alright, first things first, you gotta check out this awesome website called OctoIcons.com. It has everything that you need to create the best icon. Trust me, it's the secret sauce for making your design stand out from the crowd. OctoIcons is this super cool AI-powered icon generator that does all the hard work for you. You just type in what you want, sit back, and watch the magic happen. It's kinda like having your own personal design assistant, but without the crazy price tag. Let's talk about the best part, the pricing. OctoIcons gives you a bunch of options to choose from. You can start off with 2 free credits, just to get a taste of how amazing it is. But if you want, you can take it up a notch. You can grab 20 credits for only $4, which I think is an absolute steal. And if that's not enough, no worries. You can go all in and get 50 credits for just $8, or a whopping 100 credits for only $12. With these affordable options, you'll have everything you need and more. Once you've made up your mind and you're ready to dive into the world of OctoIcons, just click on the free option. They'll ask you to sign in with your Google account, but don't worry, the sign-up process is a breeze. No hassle at all. It's quick and easy, so you can start unleashing your creativity with OctoIcons in no time. Step 2. Enter a prompt for the design icon. Alright, now that you've signed in with your Google account, it's time to dive into the exciting world of icon creation. As soon as you log in, boom! You'll be taken to the generator where the magic happens. Now get ready to make some seriously cool icons. Here's the deal, when you create a free account, you start off with 2 awesome credits. Each time you hit that generate button, it costs you 1 credit, and guess what? It gives you a whopping 4 variations of your icon design. So let's get down to business. We're going to enter the prompt customer care icon into the generator. Trust me, this prompt will unleash a flood of creativity and give you 4 mind-blowing designs to choose from. Once the generator works its magic and gives you those 4 eye-catching designs, it's time to take your pick. Find the one that speaks to you and that screams, "This is it!" And here's the cherry on top. You can easily download your chosen icon design as a PNG file. It's as simple as a click and bam! You've got yourself a snazzy icon ready to rock and roll. Step 3. Sell your icons as a service on Fiverr. Okay, so now it's finally time to turn your passion for creating icons into some serious cash. And the best place to do this is none other than Fiverr. It's like a virtual marketplace where freelancers sell their skills and buyers snatch up all sorts of services. And let me tell you, there's a huge demand for icon design gigs on Fiverr, and people are willing to pay good money for your creative skills. Just take a look around Fiverr and you'll see a bunch of gigs offering different kinds of icon designs. Some gigs are priced at $5 while others go up to $10 or even $30 for a single icon. Can you believe it? That's some serious cash. Now, let's dive into the details of creating your own gig on Fiverr. Here's a little secret. You can get inspiration from other gig descriptions and put your own spin on it. To do this, just use the power of ChatGPT to rephrase and personalize the description, so it really reflects your unique style and expertise. Trust me, it's all about standing out from the crowd and showing potential buyers what makes your icon design special. Now, when it comes to setting your price, it's important to strike a balance between making some sweet cash and attracting buyers. Take a look at what other sellers are charging for similar gigs and find a price that feels right for you. Remember, you're offering top-notch custom-designed icons, so don't undersell yourself. You've got the skills, and people will be more than willing to pay for your artistic genius. Now, here's another little tip to make your gig even more exciting. Showcase the best work in your gig portfolio. Let potential buyers see the range and quality of your designs. It's like saying, "Hey, look at these awesome icons I've created. Imagine what I can do for you." Believe me, when buyers see the level of your talent, they'll be lining up to snatch up your gig. Step 4. Promote your Fiverr gig. Alright, now it's time to take your Fiverr gig to the next level. You've got your awesome icon design gig all set up, but now it's time to spread the word and make sure people know about your talent. So get ready to dive into the world of promotion and watch your gig skyrocket. First things first, social media is your secret weapon here. Make sure to share your Fiverr gig on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Show off some of your stunning icon designs and let people know that you're open for business. But don't stop there. Take advantage of online communities and forums that are relevant to your target audience. Try and be an active participant and engage in conversations. Share your expertise and drop some hints about your awesome icon design gig. When people see how knowledgeable and helpful you are, they'll naturally be curious about what you can offer them. Now, let's talk collaborations. Reach out to bloggers, website owners, or influencers in your niche. Offer to create custom icons for their projects in exchange for a shout-out or a mention. It's a win-win situation. They get stunning icons, and you get some well-deserved exposure. Plus, word of mouth is a powerful force, and when people start raving about your work, your gig will be flooded with eager buyers. Oh, and let me drop another little gem for you. Don't underestimate the power of good old-fashioned networking. If you can, try and attend industry events or meetups where you can rub elbows with potential clients. Strike up conversations and let them know about your incredible icon design gig. Remember, personal connections can open doors you never even knew existed. Another pro tip: don't be shy about asking satisfied customers for testimonials. These glowing reviews act as social proof and will give potential buyers that extra boost of confidence in your skills. A few heartfelt words from happy clients can do wonders for your gig's reputation. And here's a little personal preference of mine. Go the extra mile with exceptional customer service. Treat your buyers like VIPs. Respond as quickly as you can to their questions, and always make sure to deliver top-notch results. When you exceed expectations, your customers will become your biggest fans and promoters. They'll spread the word about your gig like wildfire, and soon enough, you'll have a queue of eager clients lining up for your icon design magic. Trust me when I say that social media, collaborations, networking, testimonials, and exceptional customer service are the keys to unlocking the success of your Fiverr gig. Step 5. Fulfill your orders with Octo icons. Okay, so now that you have everything set up, whenever you get an order from someone on Fiverr, just fulfill the icon request with Octo icons. It's a game changer. By using Octo icons, you'll be able to deliver the icon services quickly and effortlessly, leaving your clients super impressed and wanting more. Trust me, your clients will be so happy with the prompt delivery and exceptional quality of the icons that you give them. So, with Octo icons by your side, fulfilling those icon orders is a piece of cake. You'll have access to a huge library of stunning icons that are ready to dazzle and improve any design. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to find out more awesome ways to make money online. Catch you next time.